Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. I have two cards to share with you today, and this is cards I made using my Spellbinders dies. So I still have a lot of dies that I have not made anything with, and so I'm really trying to be more creative in using those dies. I purchased them, I must like them, so I must use them. So let me show you what I'm using today. So first up is this Hummingbird and Lily set from Spellbinders. It has 17 cutting dies, and that's how they look. I think I purchased this, this is a older die, but I purchased it on a really good sale. And then I'm using this newer one, and it's called the Scallop Journal Cards, and it's from the Simple Vintage Flower Shop. Now, when I purchased this, I really didn't know what I was going to do with it, and I wasn't sure why it was called Scallop Journal Cards. It's a cute little die set, but I wanted to use it and see what happened. So I used that, and then for the sentiment, I used one of my older stamp sets from November 2022, the Diamond Arch motif, and I used a couple of the sets sentiments in there. Happy birthday, and it comes with a die set. Well, it had a die set. It didn't come with it. You had to purchase it. So let me share the cards. So first up, using the Hummingbird and Lily, here's the card that I made. And I'm telling you, this card, this one was not fun. It's a beautiful bird, and the florals are really pretty, but I had a really difficult time placing it on the card. Then I wanted to do a little bit of shading, on it, and I just did the best I could. I used some cardstock from my stash. I'm not sure where that's from. It's just an older piece that I thought kind of gave it a little bit more oomph, better than a plain sheet or embossed sheet of paper. And so this is the card. So the colors are pretty, I think, but I just wasn't quite satisfied with the card, and actually it was kind of difficult to put together, the bird and the flower especially. So that's that one. And then from the little cute journal set, this one, I made a bunch of I was watching TV, and I had my little die cut machine with me in the dining room, and I just cut out a bunch of flowers, and I used some little baby sentiments that I had, and this one has little pearls on it, and this one just had a piece of a paper that I had embossed, and this one's another one. This is really pretty. Of course, it has orange. And then happy birthday on this one. And if you didn't know, my favorite color is orange, so that's why you see a lot of it in my crafting. And I thought this one was really cute. I stamped on that silver paper, and then it has a kind of a design on it, and I thought it stamped pretty good, even though you can't really see the P's and the Y's are too deep. The Y's are not that detailed, but I think you can tell it's happy birthday, right? And then here's a plain one. And then let me show the card that I made. So I really liked the card. I just thought the colors were just gorgeous. And I used some gems from my stash. And of course, majority of the paper that I use is from Basil. But this gold paper is by Spellbinders. I really like their gold paper. And so those are the two cards that I wanted to share with you today. Let me know what you think below. And have you used this die set before? Did you have trouble with it like I did, apparently? But I really like this one. And this one is pretty, but I probably will be getting rid of that die set because it just was not fun. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been around a while, thanks for staying. I love all the comments and the thumbs ups. I really do appreciate it. And I really appreciate you watching the video. So have a great evening or afternoon or morning, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.